Welcome everybody to another episode of Unbox That. I am finally going to unveil my computer build that you guys have been watching the last few weeks. You saw the unboxing of the computer monitor, you saw the unboxing of the Corsair 570X case, and all the other components that went to my computer. I finally have it dialed in. I finally have all the lights in as well. I'm going to show you what this computer looks like. I'm going to show you the capabilities of the computer. I am also going to show you 3 games on the computer: Forza Horizon 4, Crackdown 3, and Apex Legends, all running from 60 to 120 frames per second with no issues at all. This computer can do everything that I expected it to do, everything I wanted it to do. As you can see here, I have the monitor. I went with the Vivio arm. This computer arm right here holds the computer monitor perfectly. It holds it sturdy. I also went with Logitech speakers. They are the wired ones, but I was able to hide all the wires, as you can see, behind the computer. Also on my desk, I have the Xbox One controller in white, and I also have the Xbox One Elite controller. I absolutely love the Elite controller. I love the fact that you can remove all these pieces and customize the controller to your liking. I also went with a Microsoft wireless keyboard here. The only problem I have with that keyboard is that it's a fingerprint magnet, so I wish it was kind of like a matted black rather than a glossy black. It came with this mouse right here. I think I'm eventually going to upgrade this mouse to a Logitech mouse. I also have the Aukey gaming mouse pad, which I absolutely love. It takes up a big portion of the desk, as you can see right there. All right. And the desk, if you're wondering where I got the desk from, the desk was about $30 from IKEA. Let's turn on the computer and see what we have. So I added some extra lights here. I went with some LED lights so you can see are lighting up on the bottom here. I also have Hulk Venom here at the bottom. There's the AMD fan that came with the AMD 2700X, the Gigabyte motherboard, as well as the Gigabyte video card. And these are the Corsair fans. There it is. And it came with the 3 fans in the front. What's cool with the 3 fans in the front is I could actually change the lighting on the 3 fans in the front. There's blue. You can make them blink. You can make them change colors. The computer monitor. The computer monitor is absolutely amazing. The lights are amazing. Now it's time to show you some games on the computer. The first game I'm going to show you guys is Apex Legends, followed by Forza, followed by Crackdown. I'm not very good at Apex Legends. Bear with me on this one.
Here we go. Ready up.
All right, let's get into the game.
Right. Opening fire. Reload. Reload.
I have fallen.
I see a kid.
This game's more my speed. I love racing games. I have more fun with them. They're not as serious. Let me know what you think. And the last game I'm going to show you guys is Crackdown 3. I happen to like the first and second Crackdown. I've only played this one for a little bit. I hope you enjoyed the video because this will be the last game that I'm showing you guys.
Watch the enemy fire.
Don't let them reload.
Ooh, that one shook loose the cobwebs.
If there's anything that you'd like to see from my setup or any questions, please let me know. I can always make another video showing more of the capabilities of the computer if you want to see benchmark or if you want to see how I edit some of my videos. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.